Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update from Tweak Library.
Hello, and we are back with our special news program Tech News This Week, and this is your host Shivani. As always, we have gathered the week's biggest stories in the ever-evolving world of technology. So without any more interruptions, let's start with our first story. As we have informed you last week that Apple is likely to announce iPhone 12 series in October. And now a new report has claimed that as soon as new iPhone get released, the company would discontinue iPhone XR. This news comes from a Twitter account that goes with the handle @iAppleTimes. According to this particular account, Apple may discontinue the iPhone XR once the iPhone 12 series launches. And one good news for Apple lovers is Apple has confirmed to open its own stores in 2021. Before the company launches its offline stores in the Indian market, it will establish its online store. Microsoft Word on the web has added an audio transcription feature that lets you easily generate a transcript of your previously recorded conversation or transcribe an ongoing conversation in real time. Microsoft targets the transcribe feature at reporters conducting interviews, students as well as researchers recording focus group sessions, and entrepreneurs recording informal discussions. Transcribing Word is available for free to all Microsoft 365 subscribers and is currently accessible through Microsoft Word for the web in the new Microsoft Edge or Chrome browsers. However, Microsoft has plans to bring it to the Word for Android and iOS apps by the end of this year. Apple and Epic Games are still in the middle of an ongoing legal battle as the company sues Apple for unfair market practices in the App Store. Epic Games won a small victory as the court would not allow Apple to serve ties with its APIs and Unreal Engine, a wide-used gaming platform owned by Epic Games. Apple does not have to put Fortnite back on the App Store, but this also means that Fortnite players on Apple devices won't be able to play the newest season of the game featuring Marvel themes. The game also remains gone from the Google Play Store, but even before it was on the Play Store, Android users were always able to sidehold it from the company's website. This is something not possible on iOS as Apple has a strong hold on what apps its users can install on mobile devices. Sony has come out with a new Bravia TV series in India. Name of the TV series is X9000H. It's an Android TV series which can support 4K and also has HDR support for enhanced visuals. There are two smart TVs in the series of different sizes, 55-inch and 65-inch. One of the cool features of these smart TV is that it can support 120 FPS frame rate, so it will be very convenient for you when you play PlayStation 5 games with high graphics on the TV. The 55-inch variant of the smart TV is priced at Rs 1,09,990 and the 65-inch variant is priced at Rs 1,59,990. Samsung Galaxy A12, the upcoming smartphone, will be targeted at the budget segment. Ahead of the official release, key details of the phone have surfaced online. The phone will be available in 32GB and 64GB storage options. The Galaxy A12 is set to come with a TFT display and a triple rear camera setup. The phone will also support a dedicated fingerprint sensor. Samsung Galaxy A11 comes with a 6.4-inch HD display. It has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor coupled with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of built-in storage. It is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. That's it for this week. See you next time on the same day and same channel. Till then, keep following Tweak Library.